This video will discuss whether those applying for a UK unmarried partner visa will need to have lived together before submitting the application. As an OISC-regulated UK immigration law firm that has helped more than 4,600 partners obtain their UK partner visas, we're very well placed to discuss this. The definition of an unmarried partner has recently changed from where the couple have been living together in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years, to where the couple have been in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years. So, by removing the words living together, does this mean that the living together requirement has been removed entirely? This question does not have a simple answer, but let's explore it together to understand the nuances involved. On the one hand, the guidance states the 2-year period does not require evidence of cohabitation for the period. It also states that the essential point is that the relationship has been genuine and subsisting for the duration of the 2-year period and continues to be at the date of application. Considering only these 2 points, one may think that the 2 years of being in a genuine relationship will always suffice to apply as an unmarried partner. However, there are other things to consider. Let's go back to the current definition of an unmarried partner as a couple that have been in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years. It's important to consider this because this definition is found in paragraph 6.2 of the immigration rules. Technically, Home Office caseworkers must assess applications in accordance with the immigration rules, not what is stated on the gov.uk webpage. The words similar to marriage or civil partnership should not be overlooked here. Ask yourselves these 2 questions. Will all couples who have been in a genuine relationship for 2 years have been in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership? Is it possible for a couple who have been in a genuine relationship for 2 years without cohabiting for any substantial period to be more accurately characterized as being in a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship rather than one similar to marriage or a civil partnership? These are obviously subjective questions that will ultimately come down to the Home Office caseworker assigned your application. Most of my colleagues have worked in the Home Office in very senior positions for many years, so we know that there will be Home Office caseworkers who would agree that a key aspect of a relationship that is similar to marriage or civil partnership is prior cohabitation. To clarify, we are not stating that it is impossible for partners to apply as unmarried partners if they've not cohabited. We're also not stating that 2 years of cohabitation is 100% mandatory in all cases. Instead, the answer will be somewhere in between, and the particular facts of the applicant and sponsor's relationship are key. Yes, the threshold to apply as an unmarried partner will likely be lower than it was previously, but those applying as an unmarried partner who have not cohabited for 2 years before submitting the application should approach their unmarried partner visa application particularly carefully. Since the removal of the words living together in the unmarried partner visa definition, we've dealt with numerous successful unmarried partner visa applications where the applicant and sponsor have not cohabited and we've not seen a refusal. Whilst this would be, to an extent, related to the fact that my colleagues know exactly what the Home Office likes to see, considering that all of my colleagues at migrate.org.uk have worked in the Home Office for many years, in each of these applications there were elements of having a child together, or having significant shared financial responsibilities, or having been in a relationship for significantly longer than 2 years, and or not have been able to have lived together due to work, visas, or culture. Out of all of these, we would recommend exercising caution, particularly in relation to partners who primarily intend to rely on the fact that they've not cohabited due to work or visas, as this will most commonly be the case for those considering applying as unmarried partners. Whilst we have not had a refusal where the applicant and sponsor did not cohabit, we've also advised numerous partners that they should consider applying as a fiancé, married or civil partner if they are inclined to do so, due to the significant risk of not meeting the unmarried partner visa definition. Again, it really comes down to your particular circumstances. So if you've not lived together for 2 years and are considering applying as an unmarried partner, the main options are 1. Put together and submit the best possible unmarried partner visa application. Here, you'll be relying on the particular Home Office caseworker or caseworkers that are assigned your application. Rather than going by a set list of criteria, they'll be making a subjective decision in light of the application as a whole. If the application is refused, whilst you'll not be prevented from submitting another application in the future, you will lose out on the Home Office application fee and other additional fees relating to the visa centre appointment. Option 2 is to delay the application until you're able to submit a stronger application as an unmarried partner. Option 3 is to apply for a UK fiancé or proposed civil partnership visa, where you'll be expected to marry or enter into a civil partnership in the UK during the 6-month visa. And option 4 is to enter into a marriage or civil partnership and then apply as a married or civil partner. If you're happy to marry or enter into a civil partnership, options 3 and 4 here will be the safest approach, as this removes the ambiguity of having to show that you've been in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for 2 years. We discussed the partner visa requirements and the partner visa process in detail on our website www.migrate.org.uk. If you want us to continue making videos like this, you can let us know by liking the video, subscribing, or leaving a comment. I hope you found this video helpful.